Whoa, whoa, pump the brakes. You didn't think I was going to show you the dope shot to the waterfall right at the start of the video, did you? No, you're going to have to listen to all my terrible jokes first. Welcome to Canon 90D Diaries, episode 2, baby! I had planned to get out super early this morning to go and take some photos with the best light of the day, but I accidentally slept in because I stayed up super late watching the new Witcher series on Netflix, which is dope, by the way. We're not here to talk about The Witcher today. We are here to talk about Aber Falls, which is spelled A-B-E-R as opposed to A-B-B-A. Unfortunately, it has nothing to do with the pop supergroup Aber, which is a shame really. So let's go. Alright, so we're here. I haven't even made it out of the car park yet. I could see this from the car, so I was like, ooh, I need to go and take a quick look at this. So given that the car park looks like this, I'm pretty stoked to see what the actual falls look like. Alright, so I have literally no idea where I'm going. So the more I look around, the more I think I've massively underestimated how big a walk this might be. Like, I don't know if you can see these people in the background here, but he has full on like climbing gear, which is interesting, seeing as I'm in a pair of chinos. I forgot my gloves again. I am the worst. I'm at one with nature. I'm not even going to read that map. I'm just going to Bilbo Baggins this one, I reckon. So good news, I think this little yellow sign here means that I'm going the right way, which is fantastic news. There's also a bag of dog poo, which is nice. I'm going to get away from the dog poo now and carry on. So given that I've been watching quite a lot of The Witcher lately, I feel like I'm off on an adventure without all the debauchery and the killing and stuff like that. Toss a coin to your Witcher. I can't help but notice a lot of people are walking in the opposite direction that I'm going in. Hello, Future Rob here. I just want to jump back to this shot right here. Zoom in a little bit to the left, right there. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? There appears to be a rather large bogey sticking out the front of me snooter there. Now, we're all adults, we can be mature about this, but the bad news is that is going to stay there for the next minute or so. So I just hope we can all move past this and carry on. So sorry for the interruption. I'll let you get back to the video now anyway. Goodbye. Opposite direction that I'm going in. I feel like they might know something that I don't. But still, how mint does this look? I want it on record that I regret cheaping out on a bottle of water in the garage earlier. I was in the garage getting fuel and I was like, I ain't paying garage prices for a bottle of water. It's a lot more people walking in the opposite direction to me. It is raining now, to be fair. I don't disagree with that decision. One guy took one look at my chinos and smirked. Just because he looks like he's going mountaineering. Last time I checked, this wasn't Everest Base Camp, pal. See who's dead smug when I got some mint photos, won't we? In my infinite arrogance of spitting in the face of Mother Nature, I'm half tempted to take that trail there. But I think we'll save that for another time. Alright, we're here. This is all very nice. Waterfall, fantastic. So I'm going to go and shoot some photos, get some B-roll and stuff. Let's go. I'm kind of facing a sort of harsh reality at the moment. I'm not particularly happy with any of the photos I've taken so far. I know that if I'm going to get the photo that I want, I'm going to have to go down there, aren't I? Like right down there. Woo! I am soaking wet, I'm like freezing cold, but I finally got the shot that I was looking for. I knew I was going to have to get literally underneath the waterfall to get the photo that I wanted with all the spray and it just looking really hectic. But we got there. We got there. So I guess there's two things to take away from this video. Number one, go the extra mile to get the photo that you're after. If there's a waterfall to stand underneath it. The photos are probably going to look dope. And point number two, I can confirm that the Canon 90D is definitely weather sealed. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be back next week with episode 3 of the Canon 90D Diaries. Hopefully I'll see you then.